WordPress developers are a dime a dozen. I have about 1,300 connections on LinkedIn that are WordPress developers. And I'm not knocking any of you if you're watching this, but they use developer as a very loose term. I don't necessarily think working in Elementor or just with, you know, working with third-party themes and plugins and then building a website like that is considered, you know, a WordPress developer. At least it wasn't back when I was in it. If you couldn't, you know, program the theme yourself, then you were basically a WordPress user, because that's the whole point of WordPress, right? So anybody could just jump in and make it. Here's the Disney, at least the digital media portion of the business's employment flow. You get recruited. Disney wants you to work for them. It's exciting. It's a big name. And their hourly rate is fine. You are now a contractor for Disney. Next, you have been working there now. Right about the 6 to 7 month period, you realize there's a ticking clock. While you might have known this ahead of time, you get reminded that Disney can only keep you as a contractor for a maximum of 18 months. Their first rank is for 1 year. Once you get close to your 1 year mark, your manager, they have to make a case for extending your contract. Once you get to your 18-month mark, Disney has to make a choice. Hire you, that's a full-time employee, or bye. You can imagine how nerve-wracking that is. First off, you have your ID card. You're a Disney employee. Picture on it has the Disney logo. You have a Disney email at disney.com. And you can go into the Disney office. That badge gets you into other places too, other campuses. When your badge gets upgraded to a full-time cast member, they get you a little badge like the Disney cast members. When you go full-time, you get way more perks. So many perks. You get discounts in all the Disney stores. You get discounts on tickets. You get free tickets. You get so much. The benefits of working for Disney full-time really allow them to underpay their staff a little bit, you know, because you're making it up in other ways. And during my tenure, I got 2 offers for full-time employment. You know, when they told me about the first one, I was pretty confident. I'm like, okay, cool. Yeah, they're not gonna get rid of me. My boss loves me. I put out good work. That fell through. And then they told me about another one. Long story short, I didn't get hired on either of the projects. You want to hear a story about a senior engineer that shouldn't be? Back when I was still getting contracting gigs, I started working for this real estate company. They needed a real WordPress programmer. The person that I was kind of relieving the duties of, he wasn't getting fired or anything. They wanted him to work on other things. He was just this generic programmer. They considered him a senior because he's the only guy that was there, and he's been there for so long. He was just given a new CMS to work on, and he just did what he knew. And he did the craziest hard-coded PHP programming, completely ignored WordPress functions, did SQL queries directly. He should not have been left alone with the keys. I had to completely work around landmines constantly, and performance sucks, memory leaks, and super unsecure code. It's exactly the same, no difference between making a game in WordPress and Godot. Oh, really? I hope you're not being sarcastic, because it does not play well over Messenger. Because I do that a lot when I'm watching other people's streams. I'm being super sarcastic, and they're like, oh, really? Yeah, exactly. We need a global... Here, we'll do something like this. I think this will help us. It'll only be you and me because we're on this talking right now, but it'll be like this. It'll be so the tilde, that's the clue. Being sarcastic. It's as if you're farting the words out. You know what I mean? Tilde. Wow, we're really even considering. You motherfucker. Oh wait, tilde. Ah, I get it. It was a joke. I like that. There we go. The tilde is the universal symbol of sarcasm in text now. You heard it here first. Aragon. Okay, let's try it again. The joys of programming. Constant reloading. Troubleshooting errors. Fixing errors to make new errors. Who was it, Sisyphus? Just, rolling a big ass rock up a hill. Can never get it there. Go! Well, looky there. I can walk again. Left and right, at least. So something's up. Oh god, it's getting worse. What is going on? This is insane. I'd like to say I just know offhand why he's having a seizure. But, oh, that's why. Look at this idiot. I just solved it. I think that's it. I think we're good. I just wasn't touching the left style. I was doing the top style for both. Cause I'm smart. Have you ever met a smart person? It's like being smart with a little derp. We can all be smart, you know? At sometimes. Sometimes I'm smart, I like to think. That might just be the smirk talking though. I might never be smart. So I guess I'll never know. I won't be the one to tell you if I'm smart or smirk. So you can read my mind. What 5-digit number am I thinking of? Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna do, what did I say? 54222. I'm just, I like to read your mind. I don't have access to your thoughts. Liar. Okay, so I have to make it fictional. Okay, this is working. Here we go. Here we go. Ah! Not even close. Try harder. Damn it. Think outside of yourself. Damn it. We got this. Hold on. You are not in a computer. Oh man, it's getting closer. I got the 5. You're getting closer. Well, I got 2 of them. 4 and 2 now. Maybe I'm not thinking hard enough. Well, he got the 5 again. We're close. We're close. Once I figure out how to trick ChatGPT into reading my mind, I think a Nobel Prize is the least of what I'll get. You don't have to deep dive. No, that's what I'm saying. Stay shallow. Only learn what you need to learn. And that's how you're gonna be efficient with your learning. Just go for the basic stuff, you know. If somebody needs you to learn CSS to help them fix something, good. Now you know how to do that in CSS. And you're gonna, by proxy, by osmosis, absorb coding abilities because you're gonna be using it. On top of that, you build a nice little resume. Nothing gets you jobs more than a resume. Not a portfolio. People are looking for a resume. Companies that you worked for. You can tell them what you did for them, but you need your list of companies, your description of what you did for them, and then now you have more to your tech list. If you're looking to get into it for fun, start your own project like this. Like I'm building a website-based video game. This would teach you a lot about web programming, even though it's a video game, because I'm just using vanilla JavaScript and I'm using Sass styling. Like this is all just CSS, and then this is all just vanilla JavaScript. Very basic stuff to learn. Graham, the main character, invents personal wormhole transportation. It's attached to his watch. I mean, he created a holster, a watch holster for his device. And eventually it's embedded in his mechanical arm. I have an affinity for mechanical arms, as you can see. I always loved them. I think I got ruined by Full Metal Alchemist when I was a kid. And then every time I see mechanical arms, I'm just like, "Ugh, why not me?" And I know that's stupid because I don't want to lose my arm yet. I've seen some pretty crazy prosthesis. We're not far off from me cutting my arm off, so you know I like bod mod, so first try. Definitely first try. Tell me it's not going to work first try. Come on, chat. Come on, bots. Do it, bots. Tell me. It's not going to work first try. See? Too scared. We give estimates before we start working on a project, and they agree to it, and then you have a contract. That's your insurance policy. Because, you know, when people try to give you the runaround, ideally you'd have a due date in mind. You know, some sort of grace period after a project's completed. There's issues with that too. When's the project done? That's subjective. You know, is the project done when it's dev complete? Or is the project done when it's been QA'd by the client, the stakeholder, you know, and they approve it? Because that approval process can take a long time. And they can be nitpicking you left and right. Fix this. I don't like this. Change the font. Oh, no, I don't like that font. I need a new page. Shit, we forgot about this page. Can drag on for a long time. Yeah, I mean, I've said it before, but freelancing it's hard because the people that are hiring freelancers are not stable. Mom and pops, all these small businesses. Working remote, there's a lot more to it. It's not just about doing Zoom meetings. It's about time management. It's about managing procrastination. If you're one of those people that need an office to focus, like a quiet space, no dogs, no family, no deliveries, no whatever, then going remote was really hard on you. It takes a certain skill to be able to get work done and force yourself to get work done when you know you could do anything else. I have a TV in my office, a 3D printer in my office, a sword decanter full of really good quarter cask Lafroig scotch, right? So distractions is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, it takes a certain skill to be able to get your work done when you could literally be doing anything but working. You know, depending on your meeting schedule, if you don't have a lot of meetings, you could do anything you want during the day. They wouldn't know as long as you get your work done. You know, how to get ahead in the programming world in this industry, and it's pretty interesting. It's very similar to many other industries where, like, the people that are getting a lot of work continue to get a lot of work, and the people that get spotty work always get overlooked. You know, there's some key factors. Being US based, that helps. Being on the younger side, having a good resume with a lot of names that maybe they've heard of, and then you're getting hit by recruiters every day. You know, it's a good feeling. But in this market, in this industry, you could get laid off at any time, and then you're back to freelance. I mean, luckily there's always plenty of little websites. I remember it's like apply.
What is up?
Hey, I'll do this. Stability is
Happy Monday / Tuesday.
For years. It's like, it's a great feeling.
Well, let's shut this down. Boop. And boop. Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's good to be back. Always nice to have a little break, but yeah, it's good to jump on in and get back to business, right? Hey, look at follower goal almost getting hit. 39 going on 40. That's interesting. I don't remember getting an extra 2 followers. Might have happened on Friday. I don't remember. But we made it. It is August. It is almost Halloween. Well, that's the next holiday, right? But yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, actually, today was a little weird. You know, I didn't want to talk too much about it just because it's, you know, I'm still like right in the thick of it, but took my oldest dog, you know, I've mentioned him a few times. He's been in my office walking around and stuff like that, just wandering around, getting stuck in my wires. But yeah, I took him to the vet today. basically just stopped eating. He's not, he can't really even keep down water. So, got the first appointment today, emergency, brought him, and yeah, unfortunately, his kidneys are shut down, which explains how he's been acting. And yeah, I saw the blood tests, I saw the x-rays, they ultrasound his kidneys and took a look, and just got really old kidneys. He's 16 years old. It's really unfortunate. He's had an amazing life. He's lived in, just as many houses as I have. And he's, there was a time when he was a pretty good dog. He's never been a great dog. He's the one that would bite you, but, he was our first. So, yeah. We have the people coming tomorrow to take care of him, and, he's basically just on fluids right now, and he's taking care of him, just sleeping, and at least he's comfortable now. I mean, he's not like sitting there thirsty like he has been. But yeah, anyway, so if the mood's a little weird today and tomorrow, for the rest of the week, that's why. It is sad. I've never had a dog die on me. This is my first. I mean, I've had like childhood cats. Way too many cats die on me, but I never had any dogs growing up. So this is my first dog I got since moving out with my wife and my girlfriend at the time. Now my wife. And yeah, we've had him pretty much as long as we've been together, And it's weird. It's like a closing of a chapter more than anything, closing of an era. He grew up with us, he's there when we got married, he was there when we had all our kids, and he's followed us all the way to Michigan. I mean, he made a cross-country trip, in a car, and he was already, 14, 15 at the time when he did that. So the fact that he made it to 16 has been pretty cool. Let's see if I can pull up a picture of him just to document. Like I said, I don't want to talk about this too much on stream just because it's kind of a bummer. But I definitely, want to remember this time right before he's gone. This is actually the most recent picture I have of him right here. That's Stoli. This is actually, this is about maybe a week ago. He's almost blind, basically deaf, and he's just been, wandering around, and he got lost, and I found him in a ditch. Oh, that was weird. Found him in a ditch, just a shallow grave apparently. But yeah, he's a Yorkie Chihuahua mix. I mean, he's about 16 pounds now, but he used to be, over 20. He was a big chunky dog for a long time. And let's see if I can find the other good dog pics. Yeah, we got a lot. This is back in Burbank here. This is when he was a bit chunkier, as you can see. Just sunbathing in Burbank, enjoying the California sun. And let's see if I got any other good ones. Yeah, we got some. I mean, honestly, he's always kind of looked the same. This is back, you know, even before our our Burbank house. This is our apartment, you know, many years ago. He's always a handsome man, which was very, you know, very cool. But yeah, oop, I'm losing it. Help me grab you. There we go. And let's see, do we got any other solo stolies? I wonder how old we got. Oh wow, this one's really blurry, but that's an old ass picture. Yeah, anyways, this is farewell to my puppy, my first dog. And yeah, I'm gonna miss him. You know, he's always very vocal, constantly, you know, even when he wasn't upset, he was talking, yeah, growling. Even when you're petting him, he was growling at you. Just one of those kind of dogs. He's always grumpy, you know, even when he was younger. But yeah. So WordPress video game. What's up? Made a lot of great progress last week. And I did start writing book 3, so some of my time has been taken away to start writing again, because book 3 is on the way. But yeah, still really want to make a lot of progress on the game, so I'm going at it. Let's actually close that. Okay. So, we finished a lot of great things last week. Basically, a lot of the character selection stuff. Now, did I finish fixing the bugs? That's the question. Because I remember having some issues with the empty array. I wonder if I got that fixed, actually. Okay. No, I think, yeah, I remember. So we fixed everything. I pushed the code on Friday. So now we're at the point where I can create the tutorial for all 3 characters. So I need to create some little things for you to do using the characters. We'll create some, you know, strong things that only John can do. We'll create some, you know, hazard areas that only Genie can walk through. And then I think the only problem with Iona's speed is I don't have a way of doing anything with it. Like, I need to create something that's time-based. Because just running around fast, like, anybody could just do it slower, you know? So I wonder if we should do that. Whatever, let's create the John one first. So let's start a new game. Oh no, we actually need to go to the characters on the stage site now. And we need to select the crew. Yes. So John Bailon is a crewmate. Correct. And he has a feature image, correct? Yes. I also need to, I think, create some fields for different positions. Because right now I only have their basically walking down position, which is the front. I need fields for back, left, and right, so that every time I create a new crewmate or whatever, I'm able to add those images, and I don't need to hard code them, which would be dumb. That would kind of take away from the whole reason I'm using WordPress. But for now, we'll just continue building out the level. And then I'll add that when I work on Iona's speed. So she's now a crewmate. Yes. Correct. But up. And then we'll go to Iona. And it doesn't matter that the slugs have more than just their name in it, because the code's looking for an image with the name in it. So it should still work. Yeah, take your time, dude. I hate how slow this stage site is. I mean, I get it. It's not, doesn't need the resources of a production site, but... Oh, wait, I already did John. Stop. Back to Iona. God damn it. Go back. Okay. Or should I add her when you meet her as a crewmate? No, maybe I don't consider you guys friends until the Biolon scene. That's fine. That's fine. I think that's how I'll handle it, you know? Like, when you first meet Siona in Orbem, I'm not going to immediately make her your crewmate. You know, I'll wait till you guys go through some shit, go to another area and stuff like that, so. Oh, how am I going to do that? I'm going to need to create that ability. Because when you go to Orbem, they're going to be split up. It's going to be... You're going to be able to switch between Iona and Graham. Yeah, it just makes the game more interesting. Okay. So now that they are crewmates, I should be able to just go to the Biolon cutscene. Is the music really loud? I don't think so. I don't know why it seems just as loud as the talking. Maybe I should turn the talking up. What? I need to hear the beautiful talking, melodic tones of their speech. Great dialogue. Oh yeah, why are their images not coming up? That's a little confusing actually. Yeah, look at Andy. See, look, his image is right there. Why is that not coming up? That's confusing. Something is wrong. Why is your image not existing? Yeah, I noticed that before when I was... Wait. Hold on. Okay, so that's open. Where's your image? Oh, display none. Right. It wasn't switching back and forth. But this was Andy. Andy map cutscene. Andy. Huh. Oh wait, what's all these console errors? Cannot read undefined, cannot read undefined. What are you talking about? Oh. Maybe that's why. If crewmates. which is data crewmates, yes. Wait, where are their data crewmates? Yes. That don't make no sense, considering there are no crewmates here. They're in Bylon. Hold, please. Hey, stop. Nodeless. Wait. Length 0. So, how the hell are you getting here if this is not... What? This is 0. Crewmates. Crewmate. Okay, so there's... Is it because there's crewmate, but they're just not yes? I don't know if that's why the images aren't coming up. That'd be stupid. Alright, hold on. Let's see. I think that's unrelated. Okay, so why is this image not coming up? I mean, I know he's none. But if I put... See, that's what should be happening. And so I should be getting engaged too. Okay, maybe it is because of the console error. Well. Got it. My fault. Breaking stuff. Oh, I need to turn this off. That's annoying me. Show toolbar. No. You are in my way. And it really is. I do not need access to the toolbar in this game. You know, 'cause it's just for editing the page. Thank you. I will go find her. Alright, let's go to Bylon and collect some crewmates, huh? Oh, I thought I made this not show if it was empty, but... Another annoying shit. Oh, I broke the talking because I skipped. Okay, good. It came back. Alright. Now we gotta set up our lab before we can go to Bylon, the restaurant, and then get our crewmates. Cause... yeah, I wish that wasn't showing. Now, I could have made one of these furniture items too heavy for him to grab. You know? And I actually think I should add like an alert bar if you try to grab or do something you can't do. Like, oh, that's too heavy for you. But... wait, what the hell? Why the hell did this not get triggered? God damn it. I thought I fixed... oh, is it because... no, see, look, there's no console errors anymore.
Jax just followed.
You did it, Jax. You made me reach my theoretical follower goal. Let's go. You did it, buddy. I'm proud of you. You saw it, and you went for it, and you nailed it. And that is as cool as possible. Wait, what? I wasn't grabbing you. What the hell? Uh-oh. That was a glitch. So was going through walls. Hey, thanks for the follow, though. Come say hi. I'd love to meet the newest follower. Alright, so let's get the computer where it needs to go. Okay, now let's go meet at Bylon. Which, set up your lab never got triggered because fuck if I know. The trigger went away. I'm about to check that out. I should not be able to transport. I'm cheating, but that's what happens. Come on. Alright, here comes the cutscene. The automated cutscene where I'm talking to myself. What up, Doodle? GD, buddy. How's it going, man? What is good? Trying to make some progress on this level now that we can add crewmates. So, I just wanted to collect them. What the hell? Why does this take so long? I really do not like stage sight. Yeah, I'm gonna work on basically, I think I'm gonna start with John. I'm gonna create some theoretical item that only he can move, and he has to do it for some reason. So we'll come up with that. Alright, well now I think something's happening. It can't take that long. What is taking that long? What did I break? Oh my god, it took that long. I really need to add that loading screen. Jeez. Doop, 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 boop. I wonder if part of that was because of the delay. See, look, what the hell? Why are you doing this? Did I never fix the damn client-side crewmate issue? I guess I have some bugs to fix before we continue this. And look, Genie's not even in there. Yeah, let's just go back. This obviously isn't working as well as I want. I mean, I could change to John and I guess create his thing right now, but hey, I like how it's not showing his broken images. Probably because of lag. Whatever. Let's do something. So I need a reason for him to move something. Let's do I was thinking maybe add another piece of furniture in here that only he can move. But maybe. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. I mean, it's kind of crowded already, but it's the only thing that kind of makes sense, like moving something right now. Unless it was because I couldn't think of a reason why I would need somebody to move something, you know, that he would run into at this stage. But if it, like, he ran into a piece of furniture, I was like, oh, hey, like, that's too heavy for you. You'll need someone stronger, you know. I mean, it doesn't happen in the book. He does remark, you know, the rain is so loud, you gotta get your headset. Nothing after the room is crowded. Oh, no way. It's that loud? Holy crap. That's nuts. Ugh, I don't know. This is kind of crowded already. Well, John's office is right here. So should I do something in his office? But why would you go to his office and try to grab something, though? That doesn't make sense. So I need a better reason. I'm just trying to think. In the book, you don't need him to do anything strong-wise. So this is going to be just fabricated for the game. Because it's not like I can convert something into strong. You know, like, oh, it fell over and now only he can grab it. What the hell, dude? What is this? Oh, okay. Well, yeah, those are all dead. That's cool. But what is this? Coordinates. It's like my entire site's broken. Hold on. If I refresh and it makes me log in, I know something's wrong. Something's going on the stage. Yeah, and I just met my follower goal not too long ago. But I don't know what happened to my buddy who triggered it. He just followed and left. So, probably a bot. Well, considering how slow the stage side is, I'm definitely guessing it's timing out. And I'm not quite sure why. But I guess let's just jump on back to local. Because obviously there's some bugs we need to work out. Bug number 1. I don't want this to show up if it's empty. It's not empty here, but it should be. I mean, I need to make it empty. So let's do that. Okay. So first off, boom, that should not show up. There's nobody in there. So let's see if we can make that happen. Crewmates. Let's do characters. I spelled it wrong. Yeah, right. Characters. Here we go. So here's the menu. We're going to show it. Wrong. I don't want to show it. I only want to show it if there are character items in it. So let's do crewmates. Sure. Crew menu. Selector all. Character item. Yeah. Like that. So if and 0 is less than crewmate length. Okay. Now when I try to start the game, it shouldn't show up. That makes more sense. And that's bug 1. Less of a bug, just better UI. There we go. See? Doesn't show up. Cool. Next, I need to fix when you add crewmates, client side, it needs to populate the crew menu. Because it's not doing that right now. That's going to be a little bit more difficult. So let's jump into characters right now. So what I want to do is mimic this. And to do that, I need to create a REST route to grab it. Because I can't just mimic that. So let's do character menu. That's here. Explore characters. So I basically need to replicate this. I think I do that for missions. I think I do that for missions. So let's copy missions. Explore missions. Yes, right here. Planning to do the same thing for characters. Explore characters. It should be the same shit. Different day. Okay. Is it a component too? It is. Okay. So now we'll grab this. Yes. And then I need to not call map missions, call it map characters. Great. And then add it to the list of output from new area. Grand. I call that grand. Okay, now we need to go to the rest route call, which is new area. Yeah. Oh, okay. And then let's go to the output here. So we have missions. Let's go ahead and do the same shit for crew menu. Characters. Okay, so it's this. So I do it for missions content. I think it's characters content as well. Yes, it is. Okay. Just copy and paste, buddy. Add characters. Whoop. And that is a character list. And that's characters content. Great. Grand even, like I said before. Yeah, let's move that there. And let's copy that there. We'll call this character list. Unique. And then we'll do character list. And then we'll do map characters. Great. Perfecto. Okay. So, now that that's happening, I guess that's it. To be honest, that should just work. Let's try it out. All right, 10 more followers, and then we'll be able to try to get more people to watch on Twitch. Because I think I need like five average viewers or something like that before I can do affiliate. We'll see. All right, let's try it out, see if it worked. All right, continue. So I'm gonna get the crewmates, and when I come back, it should automatically add it. Where the hell's Jeannie? Oh yeah, I forgot. I put her in some weird position. You can't see her. She's there though. What the hell's this? Crew menu on the left here. That's really weird. Okay, it worked. It's just off to the right. I mean, off to the left for some reason. Hey, but it worked. Okay, cool. Can I switch? No. It's not open technically. Okay, what the hell's wrong with the styling? Character list. Oh. What happened to character content? That's weird. Didn't I do character content just like missions? Oh shit. I put it inside of missions content. Nobody said anything? You guys don't care that I'm screwing up? Okay, characters content, new map items, map characters. Wait, what the hell? What did I do? Missions content, characters content, character list, new map items, map characters. Wait, why did it go inside of missions? I don't get it. Wait, what? Wait, what just happened? When I switched areas... hold on, let me double check the rest route. Hey, Duck Dude, how you doing, man? Happy Monday! So we got a left character form. Yeah, okay. Sure. And I'm putting that inside of character content. Yeah. So character content exists. I put it in the content. But I'm displaying none. Whatever, doesn't matter. Oh, son of a bitch. I didn't rename it. Whatever, dude. That's why. You're doing good. Tomorrow you stream. You're excited. Oh, hell yeah. You're still editing the video for the sapphires. Dude, I want to see that sapphire video. Look it up. Alright, hold on. I'm going to leave the game. And that should ditch all the characters. Good. Cool. What are you streaming? What are you going to be working on? I am interested. It's going to be Minecraft. It's going to be that game. Okay, good. That weird crew menu is not showing up now, so it seems like the JavaScript and the HTML is showing up properly. Look at that. Request error. Dude, the whole stage site went down. Weird. Refresh your other chat. Also, Dakman, what's your Twitch? Nah, yeah, Dak Dude does Discord. Wait, what other chat? Am I not seeing my YouTube chat? I think I'm looking at my YouTube chat. Or is it the... Yeah, I'm on live chat. What am I missing? My other chat. I think my chat's good. Unless I'm tripping. Let me 3-dot it. Nope. Logan and Boyax on YouTube's. Oh, what the hell? How come my YouTube chat's not showing me chat? Ugh. Sometimes this YouTube live feed. Yeah, live chat's on. Oh, chat messages. Let's try all messages. Oh, shit. Oh, man. I was in top messages. My bad. Logan. What up? My bad. Game Doodle's in there. Okay. Well, thanks for tracking me down, Kiox. Okay, I have the chat open now. It's hard. I'm trimulcasting. It's hard to freaking keep track. So to answer your questions, I am coding in WordPress. This is an RPG video game based off of Orbem. This is my sci-fi fantasy crossover series, available on Amazon. And it's the Ammonian Chronicles. Book 1 and 2 are out right now, but I'm working on book 3 right now. And yeah, I'm building a WordPress engine, a game engine in WordPress, so that I can build my game. Which I'm doing it at the same time, building the plane as I'm flying it, because I want to build the game. But yeah, it's mostly PHP, vanilla JavaScript heavy, and then Sass styling, which converts to CSS. And then the rest of it's, the WordPress admin, all this stuff here, which allows me to output the assets and store data, and that kind of stuff. I'm using the WordPress REST API too, to save data from interactions in the games. And am I tripping, or did that not work? Did I not go back to the cutscene? Okay, let's go to the cutscene. That should have... Oh, shit. I got console errors. What? Why? Crewmates, character count. Okay, obviously this is not working. And it totally was working, so... Let's see why not. Burp, 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 burp. Okay, so we're not getting crewmates for some reason. Even though crewmates clearly exist. That's data crewmate. Yes. which does not exist here, correct? Crewmate equals... Yeah, he's not a crewmate. Okay, I need to change the HTML on that because I don't like that crewmates are showing up regardless of whether it's yes or not. Where? Crewmate. Okay. So, if it's a character, yeah, see, like, and then this needs to equal yes. And yes equals... There we go. That'll stop it from showing up now for no reason. Ooh, you figured out how to draw variables? Hell yeah. And you stream on Saturday. Oh, you did stream on Saturday. Thought I saw something about that. I get your like notifications about your streaming, but I never get like when you're streaming. Housing development, 2-hour journey. Ooh, nice. Logan Green. I don't know, man. I like that name. Alright, so we got. Why am I getting this? What is this? I need to get rid of this hazard crap. I'm done with hazards. Oh, Journey? The game Journey? Yeah, I watched my wife play that. That was... I really like it. I think it's a beautiful game. And I appreciate like the scenery and, you know, the gameplay, but she got so bored of it she couldn't play it, so I never really got to watch it. Does Discord have a global streaming platform? Yeah. Oh, like can you just like jump in and see people streaming? No, you have to be part of the Discord server to see it. Yeah, great. Great visuals, great music. I like it. Yeah, it's basically like a safer streaming platform because it's only people you invite, I guess. Okay, so that's gone. So let's see if that's actually solves it. It seems like I'm not getting an error anymore. Looks like add character worked. And it looks like this is showing up now. Okay, cool. It populated. Oh, shit. I can't close it. Why not? You know why I can't? Wait, what the hell is this crap? Okay. Obviously, something's going on with clean class name. Character name's Genie. Wait, why do I even need that? Clean class name. Wait, where's that coming from? Crewmate. You streamed WoW on it. Oh, a bunch of other people on it. So yeah, he wasn't sure. Yeah. Okay. So what is this? Crewmates, character count, class name. Why is this not working? Oh, is this on load? Wait. Where is this? Default map. Timeout. Oh, so this is on new area load. So my guess is when I go to the new area, it's not catching the crewmates properly. Oh, why am I doing that actually? I don't need the clean class name. I need their character name. Oh no, from the characters I need the clean class name, and then I add them to the crew list. You reset your laptop a while ago and thought you lost your Game Maker saves. Oh no. OneDrive, nice. Was it auto backing up to OneDrive? Dude, because my book, when I'm writing it, I'm doing it on Word, and it auto saves That's saved my lives a few times. Yeah, you have to invite people to Discord. Which my Discord, it's alright. Alright. So, what the nut? So character count starts out as a 0, which would be the first crewmate. And then I'd add the character, I'll go plus, and then maybe I need to do this check at the top, actually, now that I think about it. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. Let's do that. That way it'll shut off, you know, if it hits the end. I think it just makes more sense logically. I still don't think that's the issue. It is kind of weird though, that this would come up with crewmates and then it wouldn't work. Yeah, class name. OneDrive saved, my game maker saved. Also now I have you on both YouTube and Twitch. Hell yeah. Double up, double up. Double the love. Okay. So I know that it added the characters properly, but I do not like how it added it in gameplay. So let's retry. I just want to make sure there's no weird fucking console errors for no reason. Transport. This probably isn't it, but can you repeat the error? I'm wondering if it's because you opened it before they were all added. Seems like timing is always... Yeah, I know. Yeah, it seems like a weird thing with timing. Alright, what the hell? See... Why is this even doing this? I mean, why is this wrong? The crewmates are there. It's like it's not seeing the... Okay, I need to console this thing. And I need to get rid of these damn numbers. Where are those numbers coming from? I think I'm done with... Oh, it's the word count. That's what it is. Okay. Let's go back to crewmates. Okay, so I need to see what the hell this is, because obviously it's not working. First off, let's see what crewmates is. And then let's see what the crewmate is with the character count. Because obviously that's wrong. Ba-da-ba-da-ba. Let us debug together, my friend. Hey! Dak on the YouTube. Doubling up. Double the views. I like it. You should all double up. You should be on Twitch and on YouTube. I need an average of, I think it's 5 Twitch viewers during stream in order to get affiliate. I mean, I need 10 more followers, but getting damn close. Alright, here we go. Try us again. And we'll check the console, which is now no longer full of numbers. Alright, here we go. Okay, 3 people. Okay. So that's the problem. It's looping one more time than it needs to. Alright, well, that's simple. All we need to do is check that character count does not equal crewmate character count. The character count is 0. Length should be 3. Oh, I forgot length doesn't start at 0. Damn. That's why. Oh. Math. Math. Who said math? That is why. Whoops. I duplicated. I do Command D more than anybody in this world. Yes, incognito time. Do it. There's nothing I want more than to annoy people with ads. It's my goal in life. I want you to get served up ads for random pharmaceuticals, and seems like that's what I mostly get. I think Twitch is run by Pfizer. Seems like I get just like a lot of pill ads. Maybe that says a lot about me. I'm just old and dying. Okay. This should work now. We shouldn't get an error anymore. Burp. 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. No errors. No console errors. And it's not randomly adding the crew either, so that's good. And now... yeah, Viagra ads, yeah. Brought to you by Pfizer. Okay, well. Bad news is, this didn't work. Why is it trying to do this? Is 0... That's what I don't get. If it's coming up with an empty node list, then okay, whatever. Let's do this. 0 not is less than. Okay. That's fine. But where the hell's my crew at? When I came back, it should have given me a crew. Maybe this error just denied it. Let's see. Let's try again now that I did that check. Shit. Excuse me. So another attack of the wasps today. Fucking things just make nests in the weirdest places. This time it was behind in like a weird crevice inside of my kid's playground slide. Like the tube slide. At the bottom. And so naturally my kid and her therapist were playing outside and they both got stung. Which is horrible. It still didn't work. What the hell? Why am I not getting the crew list? When it switches, it should give me the crew list. Let's check the network. And, yeah, so they both got stung and, oh my god. And I went down there, like, after the fact. Because I heard about it. I was like, oh shit, you know. And I've been stung 4 times out there. I know, it's fucking weird. Where I got stung was on my pole barn. When I went to open and go get tools and stuff like that, I closed the door and I immediately got attacked. I got stung 3 times. And they made a nest in the top corner of the door. So like it was moving with the door. Like it was attached to the fucking door. And I was wearing a sun hat. And I just didn't look up. And it was so, and fuck man, they hurt. The hornets here, dude, they are no joke. It's a temporary pain. But it's fucking horrendous for a little while. And apparently I suck at getting stung because dude, they like destroy me. I get welted up after a few days. Like a week later is when it really starts hitting me, which is so weird. I looked it up. It's like, oh yeah, that's a thing. I'm like, oh, great. So wait, where's the new area when it sent me back? What? Where's the new area? I'm confused. Where's the new area? Was this not open the whole time? I thought it was. Hold on. I'm confused. Yeah, well, they're there, but I don't want them to be. What the hell? It's like now the new area shit is not working anymore. Tell me your summer camp story. I would like to hear it. Hit me with a dick. Okay. I go here. It adds characters to the database. I get sent back. And it should be, you know, downloading all the shit. You may get more loves on the Twitch chat. YouTube chat seems to error out a good bit. Yeah. So you went to a church activity for 3 days, and we went to summer camp type thing. Alright. I'm listening. Mm-hmm. Now when this sends me back, I better not... How do you... Oh, preserve log. Shit. Wait, I'm not leaving the fucking thing, so it should just show me. Okay. Okay, foresight. Here we go. Preview response. So this should have fucking people in it. I hate this response. Hold on. Let's see if I can read this somehow. Ugh. So I got the hazard. Cool. Sign. The first day we do obstacle courses. Okay. Sounds dangerous. That night you can't fall asleep because you're weird and you need ambient light and noise to sleep. Yeah, that's not too weird. Especially when you're in an unfamiliar bed and stuff. Forno. Now where's my crew? Look for crew mates. Oh no, it's a character name. Yeah, look, it's right here. Genie. It's in the fucking thing. Why isn't it showing up then? Alright. Something's going on with the output. And that night, you can't fall asleep. Oh yeah. Then what happens? Alright, so the output's right. But... Oh wait, hold on. Is it working but it's just not engaged? That's probably why. I'm an idiot. Yeah, like if this was engaged. Yeah, okay. So I need to switch it if it actually adds people. Alright. This makes me not want to hide it by default. This makes me want to, in fact, like, just not. No, I mean that's kind of the only way to do it. Alright, that's fine. And then 5 minutes later, I wake up to my bro calling my name. He's calling my name. His call invoked your tree. What? So eventually you did fall asleep, and you have a dream where your bro, who is in bed next to you, is calling your name to wake you up. And then you sit up in real life and fall back into your pillow. And then 5 minutes later, you wake up to your guy calling you. And then Oh, so like he was able to like manifest himself calling you in your dream because he was actually calling you in real life. That's that suggestion, dream suggestion shit. I like it. Yeah, that's a totally real thing. Been many times where my dogs just enter my dream because they're fucking whining next to me while I'm sleeping. And then they're whining. Yeah, dog inception. And then they just start, you know, whining in my dream, and I'm like, oh my god, sure wish I can get rid of this damn dog. And then I wake up and he's in my face. It's about 4 a.m. What the hell is he calling you at 4 a.m.? Were you like screaming in your sleep? He's like, dude, shut up. Okay. So, new area. Okay, so let's go here. We're gonna add crewmates if they exist. And if they exist, we are going to show the characters menu. Wait, where is it? Character menu is right. Wait. Oh, no, this is the wrong part. I need the character menu. Where's the output? Character list. Here we go. This. Character list, character content. Add it if it exists. And if you add it and it exists... Shit, do I need to check if it exists? Otherwise it'll just show it every time you go to a new area. Yo, Mr. E40. Oh, you're not E40. I was thinking like the rapper. Mr. E4000. Even better. So he tells you that you need to pack because Brother Crapo is coming to get us and take us down. Oh, okay, got it. So you start packing and it comes up and load the stuff in the back of the truck and drives down and have a massive sinus. Oh, Jesus Christ. Hey, Gurion, epic white bear in a suit of armor. Oh, you like that? That's actually a scene from Miropelia, which is one of the two books in my fantasy sci-fi crossover series, the Harmonian Chronicles. So in Miropelia there is a gang, and during a caravan like attack, these bandits are trying to steal a bunch of shit. One of them, you know, loses his hood and turns out to be a polar bear humanoid. Very interesting. Guy who is a chair. I am a chair. I like it. Everybody, meet guy who is a chair. And I'll tell you a little bit about him. He is a chair. Welcome. Welcome to the party, my friend. I welcome all chairs. Alright, so obviously I need to get the menu. Yeah, so let's just do this. So I need to check that this is not empty. And this is how it comes out. Shit, how am I going to tell if it's not empty? I need to check if a character item exists, I guess. Right? Yeah. So after that, then I need to do this. Character list equals document. Oh, it's the same damn thing. Character menu list. And this is... Yes. Oh, how about we do character items? We'll do character list dot query selector all, and then we'll do character item Good. And now, if 0 is less than this list, then we can show it. Which we show document query get element by ID, and I'm going to do characters. And we'll do style, display, block. Done. That will do it. At 4 in the morning, Brother Kappa was taking. Yeah, I know. Don't game doodle. We had a hike that day, so you had to get food. Me and Game Doodle are on the same wavelength right here. About Brother Capo. Brother Crapo. It was 7-mile round trip. Damn. Yeah, I remember that. I did a an overnight camp when I was younger, and they do that shit. They wake you up in the middle of the fucking night and they're like, time to hike, you know, before the sun even comes up, and you gotta like fucking hit it. It's crazy. Boom. Alright, let's see if this works now. Oh, I need to restart. Hey, new game? Why don't I? Crapo. What'd I say? Crapo? Crapo sounds better. Brother Crapo. Oh, these fucking gnats. Ah. They are fun to kill. But I know it looks really stupid. Brother Crapo. Alright, here we go. Work. We got 3. 1, 2, 3. We got... Talking's good. And then send me back. Show the crew. Show the crew. Good. Show me people. Yes. We did it. You make it to the top, and when you start going down, you fall behind. Uh-oh. Nobody wants to fall behind. Wait, what? Looks like I need to reset this close event. Well, that's great. Where do I set that? Close. Oh yeah, it's like this crap. Damn it. It's not cutscene. Yeah, it's just setting cog stuff. I need to reset this. Shit, do I need to reset all the clicking too? Yeah, see, none of this works. I need to reset all this logic. Oh my god. I'm gonna kill you guys. Now you're just flying into my face. Smooth. Literally falling in the process. Oh, smoothly. He was gonna program me not this falling. You start hiking down alone. Ah, bummer. Wait. Okay, so I need this close event. So that's great. Let's do that. And then I need to make the click event for changing characters. Select character. Select character. Wait. What? Select crew? The fuck? Select. Oh, well, I'm already here. So this needs to be a function. No points. Oh yeah, that's something. Okay, so this is the one I need. Alright. Select new character. Okay, so this needs to be a function. Engage. Character selection. That way I can run this when you open a new area as well. Okay. Now let's run this on engage explore. Yeah, there we go. Engage character selection. Cool. And then we'll do the same thing in explore area. No. New area. Yep. Do the same damn thing down here after it exists. Pop. Okay. And I also need to add the close event. You start hiking down alone and then you get lost. Oh, that's not good. Add character selection events. And then this is add close menu event, which is const fucking. You pass out in the parking lot? Jeez. Are you just so exhausted from hiking? That's crazy. Close character equals document. Query selector. This is characters, close setting. And if it exists, then let's add a click event. Not what I meant to do. And this will close the menu. I guess I should. Wait. Do I have it open somewhere here? No, just the content. So let's do this. Document dot get element by ID. What? Then you woke up 5 minutes later. You have to wait 25 minutes to get water. And then you have to cut. You have a cut on your hand. Holy crap. I don't think camping's for you, man. Sounds like a nightmare. And then you woke up and it was all a dream. Right? Character menu, and then character menu dot class slash dot add engage. Oh, nope. Remove engage. Alright, now that'll work. But you suck it up, and when you get to the cabins, you're first back. Nice. Smart idea. Showering. Alright. Let's try it again. So now, when I add all the new characters, I should be able to, when I switch back, to open it, close it, and select the characters. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm doing. Robots. Okay. And then after your shower, you shut the water off, and you hear your bro screaming at you through the door, asking you why you took his favorite stall. Dude, your buddy is oblivious. Like, he almost died. He's like, why'd you take my shower stall? Okay. Okay, open and close works. And can I select characters? I can. And it works great. Doop-a-doop-a-doop-boop-boo-doop-a-doop-boop. Oh wait, I'm in a hazard. Shit, I forgot. Wait, what's the error now? Oh, images. Cool. Oh, I killed myself. I forgot. I just forget I'm in a hazard. Alright, and we're fast. Good. Everybody's abilities still work. That night you wake up at 3 a.m. Tim screaming help. What the fuck, dude? I'll be honest, you have to stop camping with that dude. That's for damn sure. Doesn't sound great. Like a great time. He got sleep paralysis. This is a trip. Boom. All right. So now it's a function instead of embedded, or would it be a term being nested? Well, yeah, now it's just a util function that I can hit, you know, and set all the... It's all about the fucking server side versus client side. So on load, I need to be able to trigger click events on things that are in the page on load. But now I set it up as a util, so now when I switch to an area and I'm like grabbing that HTML from the server via the REST endpoint response, I can reset all those fucking click events and all that stuff using the same util function. And then after that, you almost drown. I don't like the story anymore, Dak. Oh my god. What a nightmare. That just doesn't sound like a fun time. I'll be honest. Another one bites the dust. I'm setting record level gnat murdering tonight. It was fun? Well, that's good. I'm glad it was fun. I was a bit smoother most of the time. Yeah. Hopefully it was just a really bad time. Life's usually pretty good, except for this camping trip. It sounds like there was a lot to this trip, though, and some of it was a lot of fun. So, yeah. All right, Dak. Thanks for jumping on, man. Thanks for jumping between Twitch and YouTube, too. I like it. You're simul chatting, and I'm simulcasting. It's good. I'll catch you in the next one. What's your favorite racial slur? Lucas Chave says. Ooh, I like... What was my favorite racial slur? Who do I like pissing off the most? Oh god, I gotta get out of there. I think Nerf Herder. You know what I mean? Thumbs up. Nerf Herder is probably my favorite racial slur. Considering race is a human construct. Hey, Seashell's in the house. Race is a human construct. So it's technically not a racial slur, it's a species slur. And I think it's an... I don't know. What's wrong with nerfs? You know what I mean? That's a punk band? Nerf Herder? Oh, that's cool. I mean, duh. Anything Star Wars, right? It's gotta be a band by now. Pretty sure Jabba the Hutt is a band too. Seashell Studio in the house. Probably lonely over there on Twitch. Everybody's on YouTube for some reason tonight. But I appreciate it. Okay, so we have this. Everybody's cool. I can switch. I can change to fast characters. I can change to strong characters. I can change to hazard people. So now... What'd you walk into? You walked into some weird fucking talk. Walking up, talking about favorite racial slurs from Lucas Chaves over on YouTube. Chaves, yeah. Yeah, that's how it goes sometimes. I chose Nerf Herder because I think that is the most hilarious of racial slurs. Considering I don't know what a Nerf is. And apparently hurting them makes you kind of a dick or something. I don't know. So we fixed all that. I think I have console errors. Oh yeah, it's the images. I gotta stop confusing myself. Okay, I'm gonna push this up. And then I think we're good. I guess I should... Yeah. Let's push it up and let's get the strong guys stuff going on the stage site. Hopefully the stage site comes back. I don't know why it went down. Hopefully it wasn't my fault. But we know they need herding. Yeah, we know nerfs need herding. So they have to be a type of animal. They have to be sheep-like. They have to be livestock, right? So you're herding them. You're a shepherd. So you're a nerf shepherd. Yeah, why would you call him a herder? What the fuck's a herder? Wouldn't you be a shepherd? Nerf shepherd? I'm disliking this racial slur more and more, actually, now that I talk about it. You are a nerf shepherd. Because when you're herding animals, you're herding... I mean, unless you're a dog, you're a shepherd. So, nerf shepherd. Maybe it's a derogatory term because you're saying herder. Maybe they're not actually shepherds. Maybe nerfs are a bunch of idiots and you're herding them together. Nerf herder, also spelled nerf herder or nerf herder, was someone who herded nerfs, okay, on various planets throughout the galaxy. As it was perceived as an occupation for lower class beings, the term nerf herder became an insult throughout the galaxy. Yeah. Herding is an act of shepherding. Oh, is it? The shepherd sheps and the nerfs are herded. Okay. Yeah, okay, fine. So you're a herder. So like I'm a sheep herder. I'm a shepherd as occupation, I'm a shepherd, but I herd sheep, so I'm a sheep herder. Okay, yeah, I guess it's not that bad then. But the fact that it's on various planets, the fuck do nerfs give? You know what I mean? Is it like wool? Like is it for clothes or is it for meat? It's both. It's good. It's for milk. It's for everything. What the hell's a nerf? Now I'm interested in the nerf species. Alright, let's see if I can get this up and running again. Because apparently it exploded on me. Are you running? Yes. Okay, good. So let's go back. Start fresh. And then let's see if we can collect people. Shepherds have to protect the sheep, stay with them, make sure they're safe, blah blah blah. Herders are really only moving them from place to place. Huh. I guess I didn't think about that. Yeah, because I guess shepherds are kind of like walking around with them while they're eating and shit, right? But that means that somebody else comes. I mean, if you're saying that a herder is separate from a shepherd, then you're saying somebody else is coming onto the fucking field and being like, let's go, buddies. Shepherds fought lions and bears. Yeah, I mean, they had a big ass stick. You know what I mean? Smack, you know? Big ass stick weapon. Yeah, it would be weird to be specifically a herder, though. You know what I mean? Where, like, you're like the finisher. You're the closer. Okay, so the images are still not showing up. I thought it was because of the console error, but now the console error is not even coming. But for some reason, this image is not... I mean, this logic right here is not working. It's supposed... to show the images when you go through the cutscene. Well, let's see if the other stuff I fixed worked. Yes, please tell me. Even though I'm on your back. Uh-huh. Oh, well now you don't want me on your back. Okay. Peace. Now, is this working again? Okay, good. I'm glad that's working. That wasn't working for some reason. Maybe nerfs are so cheap that people use low-cost labor to herd them around instead of skilled shepherds, which adds to the insult. So, a nerf herder is like a shepherd's assistant. Or like intern. Unpaid intern. Well, whatever. I mean, they were all unpaid interns back then, right? You know, when you were learning how to be a smithy or the apprentice. So you're just like an apprentice of a shepherd. Okay. No pay. Still learning. Low standard in life. Alright. Finish the mission. Let's go to Bailan. Which is spelled correct, I believe. No, I think that's wrong. No, I think it's right. I think I spelled everything else wrong. It's a sandwich architect at Subway. Sandwich architect. No way, man. You know what's funny about Subway? You know when you get a bad sandwich maker at Subway, right? We have one Subway because, you know, there's more Subways when you go into Ann Arbor, but like around us there's a Subway and it's been taken over by multiple managers since I've lived here, which is interesting. And the quality has gone down depending on who has worked there. And yeah, I mean, some of them are architects. Some of them are just shitty people who don't understand what you're saying. Alright. Well, so far everybody's showing up in the positions I put them in. But the question is, I don't see any console errors. Will I get a crew? Looks like I got a crew. So the real question is, yay! All three of them show up. Alright. You know what that calls for? Balloons. Good. So she works. He works. I don't get why they don't switch images, but that's cool. Uh-oh. She works, but her skill isn't working. Wah, wah, wah. That makes me think that the logic I created isn't catching her name. So let's actually check her name. Which is... Oh yeah, it's the same shit. Maybe there's just a lag. It doesn't realize it's her yet. Is there really that much of a lag? Yeah, because she should be really fast. Let's double check the fast logic. Iona. Don't like it that it's hard coded, but I will have a list of the characters in here, so it's not like you randomly add new characters. It will not be good for other people creating games on this platform though. Dataset character name. Oh, okay. That's the problem. It's just looking for her name in the character dataset, which is not correct. I need to look for Iona if it's contained in here. Or includes. I always mix those up. There we go. So. There we go. That's better. Though, I kind of want to add a custom field radio buttons that will be like speed, strength, hazard. And you can like select that on a person, so I don't have to use their names. I can just use their characters, you know, data ability or whatever the fuck. Seems like that would be a little better for future-proofing this. So it doesn't matter what their name is. Atoll. I can name it whatever the hell I want. But I think that's a problem for another day. Yeah, the WordPress engine is great. For some reason, the protagonist names are super limited. Yeah, I don't know why. It's almost like they're limited to my goddamn book. Yeah, future users of the engines are going to be like, ugh, I gotta name my character Iona. Damn it. There's no other way to make a speed person? Nope. You are limited. Only speed. Ooh, Grumblepugs is live. You know, I love me some Grumblepugs. Maybe I'll raid him today. Ooh, free advertising. Yeah, that's true. I can put in the code and be like, ooh, Orbem. Hey, everything default's going to be Orbem related. So, be like, oh, what is this? Orbem related game engine. Okay, so that's... Yeah, that's fine for now. Let's see if I did that for John and Jeannie. Because I'm pretty sure I checked if... Yeah, see, I said includes. And then Jeannie, I also did includes. Graham includes. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Yeah. And this is all about the image name. So eventually I'll use the data set on the actual character and not use their image. Okay. Well, that'll make her fast. Doesn't really stop me from what I want to do, though. So I want to do a quickie. I need to create a quick tutorial thing for John, a strong person. And I don't exactly know what I want it to be. Because I thought about making him move a piece of furniture in here. But I don't have room for more furniture, really. I think 3 was kind of like the limit. And then I was thinking about adding something in his own office. This is John's office here. See if I should have him move something in his own office. But why would I stumble upon that? It needs to be something that Graham needs to do, the main character. But then he can't because it's like, oh, you know, you're not strong enough. Which is another thing I need to add. I need to add like a pop-up message like, hey, you know, this is too heavy for you. Or hey, you're dying. I think the hazard's pretty self-explanatory because you die. But yeah. And then the timing thing is also self-explanatory. But the heavy thing, that's something you'd see in an RPG where like you try to grab something. Oh, you're not strong enough to open this or move this. So what should I do? Have a piano fall and block the door when you walk in. When he comes in to save the day. A piano. It's just randomly floating in the research center. I mean, yeah, I could do something similar to that. Maybe like a rocket. You actually stole that, but don't put that out there as lore. Correct, yes. In book 1, the piano falls and blocks a door. Yeah, I could do something rocket related, like, oh no, a fucking rocket's blocking this doorway, you know? Only John can move it. It's canon. Dude, I'm all about canon. You know how frustrated I get about canon? That's why I hate anime movies. They never give a shit. Maybe a tree bark? Sarav here, giving me tree bark as an idea. You know what I could do is I could block, like, the hallway. You know what I mean? So, like, he can't get back to his office unless he moves this big fucking item. We could have alarms go off and then engine tests, sends debris in front of the door. Yeah, instead of the door, I could do it in the hallway. I think I could do that. I'll put something like right here. Like a big ass rocket. But then I'm going to need to add the ability to add items at certain times. Because right now items are there. So they don't just show up like at a certain point. So I need a trigger point. So yeah, I like that idea though. I think after the Bylon meeting where you collect your crew, which they're all... There we go. You collect your crew. Wait, what the hell? Where'd she go? What? Well, now she's gone. She's empty. Oh my gosh, it's me and her. I guess I didn't think about having a twin. That's not good. Maybe John could help you have something out in the office first, and then stuff in the office could start in the hall. Most games just add debris, or are you planning on making it accessible after some time? Yeah. I was planning on making it accessible like after you come back from collecting your crew. Because after you go through the cutscene and collect these 3 characters, they'll all have their own abilities and you'll need them for certain things. So like I'm thinking after that I can just have it set right here and be like, oh shit, where'd this come from? Whatever, you know? I could do a big sound effect or whatever. And the only way to get to your office and continue your mission... I mean, I should actually do that. All 3 tutorials for using these characters should be to get you back to your office. Because the whole point is that he comes here and he does a couple mini games in order to invent transportation, which is this ability that I already have. So that will be what I do. So I think the last thing will be the strong test though. Actually moving the item out of the way. I think the first thing will be disarming it. And the only way to disarm it is through a time trial. So on this side you have to click a button. And then you have to go on the other side and click another button or something like that within a certain amount of time. And then maybe when you do that, it'll set everything on fire. And then you have to turn the genie in order to get close to it to turn it off so it's not making fire anymore. And then the last one would be actually moving the debris out of the way. Yeah, I'm into it. And that would make this item actually something I really need to program in general. Yeah, I like it. So that'll use all 3 of their abilities, get you into your office, and then your mission right here is, instead of that, it'll be, you know, invent fucking, or finish your transportation device. I like it. I think that's it. Let's do that. So, in order to do that, we need to create that item that has 2 buttons that you need to interact with, which the only thing that I need to create is a timing ability where, like, if you don't click both at a certain amount of time... Shut up. Ice shards. No, let me... Ice swords. Can't believe you never created a sword sprite so you could have ice swords. Seashell Studios is creating, like, a Final Fantasy turn-based, like, magic game in Godot. I was watching this stream last night. I think it was last night. And
or yesterday, and we were just shooting the shit on his particle style for his ice magic, and yeah, I kept trying to get him to do ice swords. Came out really good though. I like what you did. I love the ability in Godot to change the particle, you know, style, and like the turbulence and the angles and stuff. It's so cool. Way more than I ever need. Okay, so step 1, time buttons. We need to create 2 interacting buttons that you need to hit within a certain amount of time. This shouldn't be too hard. I already have interaction, which are signs. So I can kind of steal what I do for signs. Like here. So this sign can be like a button, which already has an interaction key. So you interact with it. So I already have an engagement. Though, yeah, because I don't really want to create a new custom post type just for buttons. So I can pretty much just steal signs. And I can loosely use the term sign as interaction. I think it's okay. So, in order to do that, we need button 1. And we need to put that in Foresight. We'll deal with that later. And then we need button 2 in Foresight. And then I need to create a new radio in the meta box for signs. So this will be specifically for signs. I don't know, this is becoming really big. I'm not going to keep it in one file forever. After code cleanup, I'll probably change that. So it's going to be explore. Wait, do I do sign? Okay, singular. Explore sign. So we'll do timer. And we'll be, the first one will be, actually, let's just steal yes and no from somewhere else. Right here. Yes and no. Okay. And we'll get rid of use. Use guys. Okay. Yeah. So this will be timer. So is it a timer at all? Yes or no? Explore timer. And then we'll actually have a number value to decide how long the timer you have. Because depending on how far the run is, it needs to be longer or shorter. It'll always be shorter than it takes for other characters to get there. Unless maybe anybody could do it. This could just be for any sort of, you know, puzzle. A time-based puzzle. And then we'll do a number here. We'll steal height. And we'll call it time length. Oh yeah, let's do yeah, they can't be part of this. So maybe they can. So this is timer. Timer. Cool. And then this will be timer length. Cool. Timer length. Great. So now I can keep them all in the same array. I don't have to mess around too much. This is timer. It's just timer. I guess I could make it easier and just make it if they put a time length that's not 0, then it's a timer. Why not? Cut down the work. We'll do timer
That's it. Timer. Cool. We have the logic. I don't... Whatever. Yeah, sure. Great. Explore timer. Then we'll go here. We'll add it here. Should be pretty simp. Explore timer. All right. And then we'll... That's it there. And then we'll do the autosave. I mean the not autosave. This is going to be an int val. So I can steal that. Perfectos. Explore timer. What's up? Great. Alright, so it should be good now. And then the timer itself will only be affected in JavaScript. So let's make sure that we have a sign here. So this is one data set for this. This is part of the classes, but what I want to do is check if it's a sign. So if it's a sign, and if 0 is less than int val timer, which will be the value, then we'll do a new little data point. Good job. The IDE actually looks pretty good. Yep, nailed it. Wait. This is wrong. I don't want to put it here. I changed my mind. Explore sign. Yeah, I guess I want it to be its own thing, not only if it's breakable, because that's how I determine which direction it shows. But how to determine if it's a sign or not? Oh, do I do genre or something? I think I use genre. Okay. Explore sign. This is a separate thing. Then we'll do that. And this. There we go. Much better. And then let's set timer. That should be over here. Nope. Sure. Value. That'll work. Hey, can you add one of your characters to my game as the... Hell yeah, you can. You can add as many as you want. In fact, you can make your whole game my characters. I think we're doing a dual Orbem video game creation. 2 different games. Same characters. That's what I'm thinking. And if you don't agree, it's a disservice to your fans. Yeah, it's all canon. Yeah, everybody fights in my book, so you can make them all fight. So only elves can do magic. Spoiler alert. So you just have to take all the elf characters. Elves and Grain, you know, my main character. Only elves and he can do magic. If that's the case, you're making a raycasted Orbem? Yes. Fucking Game Doodle's doing it too. We're just all making Orbem games. My wife wants to make an Orbem game too. but she said, like, I don't want to have anything to do with any of your characters. I want it to be miniatures, little pixies going through Orbem, like through the forest, as if, you know, they're like the size of mouses and everybody's running around them. I'm like, sure. Sounds fun. Your game is about magic leaving one entity and being shared between everyone else. So maybe this is a storyline where everyone gets magic and they all lose it. Ooh, I like that. That'd be cool. That'd be a cool direction to go. I like it. Yeah, if you're gonna have one character, Orbem the Pac-Man. Eating fucking, I don't even know. Eating Harmonian crystals. That's like the main, like, they're called dormants. That's like the money in Orbem, because Harmonians are thousands of years, like came thousands of years ago, so they're almost myth once you get to Orbem. And they have a currency in Orbem called dormants that are dormant Harmonian crystals, which are basically crystals without any energy that are just strewn around from, you know, the old times, and they use that as currency. Whereas if you find a Harmonian crystal with energy, it's like way more, you know, rare and that kind of stuff. So so I have a whole currency logic in there as well, using Harmonian crystals. Though I think if you're going to do one character in your game, it's got to be Coromir, who's the bad guy. He's like the main bad guy in Orbem. He's the fucking, you know, ageless sorcerer, you know. And he is a very fun character. I think I even have a pillow. This is him in pillow form. Yeah. It's kind of destroyed because my dog did chew it up, but I have Coromir merch. Yeah, read up on him. He's a great character. So now that we have everything's good, we've got a data point. Let's double check that it shows up. So first we have timer. Great. So where would I put the time? I guess I would, because I need to connect two different buttons. So not only timer, I actually need, oh no. Yeah, because I need the trigger, like when the timer starts. So I guess you would put the time length here, which if it's seconds, you know, put like 20 seconds. And then I need the trigger, which will be the slug of the other button. So let's do that. Yeah, timer. So I also need one more thing. I also need explore timer trigger. Nope. Explore timer will remain like that. I'll make it an array. So we'll do it like this, actually. Boop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-boop. And we'll do boop, 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 boop. This will be timer. Cool. Great. Timer. Good to go. And then here we'll do timer time. Very important. And then we'll do time length, time trigger. Now let's do the whole thing. All right, time trigger. which will be text, and it'll be trigger. I use that word a lot. And trigger. And it'll just be the slug name. Great. And let's make sure I have it in the save. So I have it there, and I need it. Oh yeah, timer's just its own thing. Cool. So Cormer will be the dude that you think is the BBEG, but really is just a puppet for much more evil BBEG. Yeah. Yeah, you gotta have him fucking do an old switcheroo. Alright, let's add, now that we have this, so it's really about the second button. Oh, I destroyed something. Go. What'd I do? Oh, well, this can't be an invol, actually, now I think about it. This is going to be ESC attribute. What'd I do? Oh, do I need a default? I need a default. I always forget about that. Let's get a default going. Oops. Timer. Timer. Hey, old timer. Otherwise, time equals nothing. And trigger equals nothing. Great. PHP go. Alright, cool. So we have timer length, 20 seconds. Trigger is going to be button 1. And let's see if that saves. It didn't. I'm not surprised. It never saves first try. What's wrong? I did that wrong. And I didn't change that. I'm really bad at doing that. Alright, try again. Okay, so time length 20. Button 1. Okay, so it did save actually. Wait, what? There is something wrong at 283. What did I do at 283? I timered time. Boom. Spelled it wrong. Not surprised. Okay, cool. We got the timer length. We got the trigger. So now let's put it on the video game so I can test it out. And it'll look like just a couple, you know, a couple of signs, but I'm okay with that. I can change the styling based off of if it has a timer or not. Maybe I'll even add like an image, like I'll let it be an image. So we'll do 1980. 1980. And you are 2388. Alright. Height. I guess we'll do 20 with 100. Let's see what it looks like. Nothing. Where are you at? Button 2. 2. It's right. Oh, it didn't save. Why not? Try again. Huh. It didn't save at all. Oh, god damn it. Drag destination. Ugh. I know, these fields are so annoying. I really need to put a dev mode where it lets me just like drag and drop shit on the page. $20, $104. Yeah. 20, 100. Ah, okay. Now show up. There we go. Button 1. Now button 2, I'll put... Oh, fuck you. I'll put over here. And here is 23, 34. Okay. And 2883. Great. We'll do the same thing. 20 by 100. Alright, cool. Grand. So now we have 2 buttons. Okay. So, in order to trigger these, you need to hit them. So that turns it on. And that turns it on. Okay. So I need to be able to tell that the first one is attributed to the second one. I have the slug name, so I can do that on load. So basically, that'll happen here. So let's go to sign. Okay. So we had the okay. Does the timer show up in the HTML? It does as array. Okay, that's not how it needs to output. Oh yeah, duh. I forgot. I changed it. Yeah, right. There we go. Much better. Yeah, right. Excuse my messaging randomly. Go. Wait, what? What did I blow up? I did something wrong. Huh? Why is this not working? What's the output? Data timer does not exist. Alright, I obviously broke something. But what? Wait, am I even doing timer? Explore timer. True. Uh-huh. And then if it's a sign, if 0 is less than or equal to inval time, then add it. I guess we have to check if it exists. Yep. Let's see if that helps. Yes, it does. Oh, because it's a sign. Yeah, I get it. Okay, it's not showing up, even though it should. I wonder why. Let's double check that it's saved. It did. Explore timer. Time. Timer time. Hammer time. Oh shit, I always forget. I forgot. Timer. Explore timer. For some reason it's like this when it's an array. I don't like it. But it is. Something about the way WordPress saves form data when it's in array. Okay, that has nothing, which is correct. And that has timer 20. Fantastic. Okay. So now that that's done, I should be able to do some logic to determine if something is using the slug. That's a timer, so. Pop. So, I need new logic. If it's a sign. So I need to add this as well. Data timer trigger equals that. Correct. So, and now I can pretty much handle the rest in JavaScript. Because if this exists and has timer trigger and timer, then I can grab the slug of this using my clean class name function and make interacting with this start the timer, and then I have to click this, and then the mission will be complete. That means I need a mission. Mission. Button. Mission. And we'll attach it to Foresight. And we'll add it to button. I guess button 1. Because that's the trigger. Yeah. All right. I'm over it. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. I know it's a little late. But yeah. Tomorrow we'll jump back into this, and we'll get the button working on a timer, and that'll allow me to do the first part of the tutorial and the staging site, which would be great. Second part, we'll make it create a hazard. Once a mission's complete, create a hazard. That's the logic that'll happen next. So once button mission's complete, then we'll make a hazard show up, and that'll be the fire. And then after I complete that mission, we'll make another logic where I can trigger an event that after a mission's complete, we make an item grabbable, draggable, whatever. I think I'm going to make it breakable because I want to get rid of it. So I'll just make him punch it and it'll blow up or whatever. But yeah. Appreciate all your time, Seashell Studio. I will catch you in the next one. I think you're streaming on Wednesday, so I'll be there. But yeah. Game Doodle, Sarav, you're all my friends. I appreciate your time, and have a good night. Catch you in the next one. See you later, my dudes.